Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting power and network right. Plug CastPlay TV into an HDMI port and connect its power brick so the LED goes solid. Once done, switch your TV to that HDMI input and make sure your mobile device or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, devices cannot see each other. You need the CastPlay app installed. Open it now, because the app discovers the dongle and walks you through pairing, which is the first actionable step to begin streaming. Once your app finds the dongle, tap it and follow the PIN pairing instructions shown on TV for secure connection. This is how devices authenticate. Make sure you grant local network and notification permissions so casting and remote control work reliably. Next, open app settings. Choose preferred resolution and audio output because higher bitrate improves picture but may require stronger Wi-Fi. If you use a laptop, pick Cast tab. Select the CastPlay device and choose either tab or full screen casting, depending on your need. You can now start playback. Press the cast icon in the app or Chrome, select CastPlay TV, and content should appear on the big screen. Use the app's remote controls to pause, seek, or change volume. They send commands to the dongle so your phone can free up resources. When finished, tap disconnect or switch TV inputs to end the session. If things go wrong, try restarting the dongle and router, confirm both devices are on the same network, and update the CastPlay app. This resolves most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.